guys, long time no see. I hope you are looking forward to the next week because I've got a lot of holiday content coming to you that just didn't make it to YouTube. But one of my goals for 2021 is to not work as much and not overshoot myself because I'm just one human being. So comment down below if you feel that with me. But this is my holly makeup. I did get this posted to Instagram. I hope you saw it. It was a really, really pretty look. I did it on live with my friend Gianna, and I loved how it turned out. It was inspired by Eric C. Duh on Instagram. He does amazing, amazing face charts. I'm going to tag him below in the description so you can check him out. I think this is one of like 2 or 3 looks that were inspired by his face charts. I absolutely love his work. It's so beautiful, and I love seeing it recreated on the actual face. So the holly was pretty easy, to be honest with you. It just took a really long time, and I cleaned it up with some makeup remover and then with some concealer to really perfect it. But I just used that one green shade from the James Charles Morphe palette, and then I'm just going to do my face as I normally am. I've been using this NARS soft matte foundation like really, really often lately, and I love it. Let me know if you've tried it and what your thoughts are on it. We are actually going to be getting back to my regular schedule come 2021. You guys are going to be seeing my foundation reviews and all that fun stuff here on YouTube. I think 2020 for me was a year of just figuring it all the hell out. So I'm just completing this look with some favorites. This little palette right here is from MAC. It's actually from a couple years ago from their holiday collection. It's the prettiest blush ever, and they finally made Whisper of Gilt a like permanent shade, finally. So once I've completed the face, I'm actually going to give myself some liquid liner, and then I'm going to outline the holly on my eyes with the liquid liner. I used a mix of the OFRA liquid liner as well as the Hank & Henry liquid liner. I think they both just like dried out at one point because I was trying to do this for quite some time. I added some lashes and liner and all the fun stuff, mascara. And these lashes are actually the Gianna lashes from Gianna's lash line, Gigi Belle lashes. So make sure to go and check her out. And if you guys want to see the full live video that we did together, make sure to go onto my IGTV on Instagram and look for our faces, and you can find our live video. By the way, part of this video was actually filmed on my phone, so I hope the quality isn't too rough. But I love the way that it turned out. I also shoved in some of the KYLIE GRINCH collection, which you guys will be seeing soon, into this look. And I really, really love how this came out. I also added some Get Stoned rhinestones. These are the black cherry rhinestones, I believe. And I just added 3 of them to the inner corner. And that's it. This is the look. I love it.